In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of downloading and installing the official software for your AttackShark X3 gaming mouse. Having the right drivers is essential if you want to customize your DPI settings, change the lighting effects, or set up advanced macros for your favorite games. To get started, you need to open your web browser and head over to the official AttackShark website. Be very careful to use the legitimate manufacturer site so you get the most up-to-date and secure version of the tool. Once you arrive at the home page, look for the Support or Downloads section in the top navigation menu. Inside that menu, you should see a list of various products. Locate the listing specifically for the X3 model. Click the Download button next to the driver file and wait for the installer package to finish saving to your computer. Once the download is complete, find the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts by clicking Next until the process is finished. After the installation wraps up, you should see a new icon on your desktop. Make sure your mouse is plugged in before you launch the program. Now you can open the software and start tweaking your polling rate and button assignments to match your unique playstyle. Dealing with mouse settings has never been easier once you have the right tools. Good luck and enjoy your new setup.